Hi friends, in the last video I have compiled the program for finding biggest of two numbers. In that program just I have taken two numbers and I have made a comparison like whether 52 is greater than 53 or 53 is greater than 52. In that way, we are finding the biggest of two numbers using if-else statement alone. Now, we are finding the process for three numbers. So, for example, if I am having 56, 57, 58, we all know that the biggest of the three numbers is 58. So, for this, now we have to write the logic. So how we will write the logic? First we have to check whether 56 is greater than 57 and 56 is greater than 58. So I have to write if 56 greater than 57 and I have to use logical and operator and I have to check whether 56 is greater than 58. So if both 56 is greater than 57 and also it is greater than 58, then I will say that it is biggest number is 56. Okay, first I will find it for 56. So here I will add a printf statement and I am going to print as percentage d is the biggest number. So that is called as 56. Else if, then I have to add a else if statement. Here what I have to do, I have to check whether 57 is greater than 56 and also 57 is greater than 58, right? Now I am going to make a comparison of this 57 with 56 and also with 58. So if I made a comparison with 56 and 58, then if it is greater, both the option is true, then it is going to print it as 57 is the greatest number. So here I have used if statement, here I have used else if statement. Finally, I have added else. For this else statement, you need not give the condition. Because if both the conditions are false, then definitely 58 is the largest number. Right? So for this, now we are going to write a C program. So we are finding the program for biggest of three numbers. So first I have to add our hash include statement. So hash include stdio.h and we are going to add a main function as int main. Once I have opened the curly brace here, I have to close it here, right? And here I am going to declare three numbers as of integer data type. So A, B, C. Now I am going to read these three numbers from the user. So I have to use how many variables here? Three variables. So percentage D, comma. I am going to storing those values at three locations like that ampersand A, ampersand B and ampersand C. So I have declared three variables. So here 56, 57, 58. So instead of that, what we are going to do? We are going to replace it with variables, right? Because our motive is we are going to write a program that will work for any number, right? We are not writing the program for 56, 57 alone. So I have read the values here. Now I will write the logic as if A greater than B and A is greater than C. Right? If A is greater than B and also greater than C, I am going to write it as percentage D is biggest. In the place of percentage D, I am going to print A and semicolon. Next, else if statement. I am going to add the value of B that should be greater than C and that should be also greater than A. So now B is greater than C and also A. So percentage D is biggest. In the place of that, I am going to replace with B. Yes, in the else part, what I am going to do? We are going to add a printf statement. Which one is biggest? In else part, I am going to write it as C. Okay. Then we are going to add a return statement which is return 0. So that now our program is over. So here I will read the values, any value, for example 45, 47, 54. Right? If A is greater than B, 45 is greater than 47 and 45 is greater than 54. Now this will print. Otherwise, if this condition falls, definitely here it goes. Here it will check for 47. This is also false. It will go to the else case. Here 54. So now it is going to print 54 is the biggest number. Right? This is the way we have to use three conditions using if else if statement. Right? I hope all you understand for writing the program for biggest of three numbers. Please subscribe my channel for updates and kindly press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you all.